Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick and simple, honest review about this powerful website called Wati. Wati helps business use WhatsApp better. It lets you automate many of your customers' chat. Think of it as a tool for talking to many people at once. You can create chatbots that answer common questions. This means faster customer support. Wati makes it easy to automate replies. Wati help you automate your message. It's like having a helper that never sleeps. You can create this chatbot to give good customer support. Wati makes an automation easy for you. So talking about the Wati's key features, Wati has some cool tools that make WhatsApp business easy. These features help you talk to customers better and save time. So let's look at the best ones on the Wati platform. One of these is a advanced chatbot. It also comes with a CYA analysis. It also comes with a scheduled broadcast and a team inbox management, together with a template library and other key important features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, it comes a three different pricing plan, which is the growth plan, the pro plan, and a business plan. So if you want more information about this plan, you can simply get back to the website to check the listed features available for each pricing plan. Thanks.